This is what we're replacing. The part went out. It's this part right there. We're replacing the CV joint. The boots all wear out, so we gotta replace this part right here. For this, you're gonna need an 8 and a small ratchet. For this ones, you're gonna use the 15 and this for that. And I'll remove that this plate right here that goes right here, so you can get to this bolt right here. And as you can see, that's that plate right there. And this is the tools that I use. So I'm just waiting for my part. And the 3/4 socket. That's all I use. Thanks for watching.